You can literally earn anywhere between $1,000 to $2,000 per month by working only 1 hour a day. All you have to do is create Disney storytelling shorts, which I will teach you in this video. People love watching these videos and I decided to create a full tutorial on it. But why should you learn this skill? It's because I have told all my secret methods you can earn insane amount of money, and not just by one way but by 3 ways, which I will tell at the end. So how are we gonna do this? We will use Bard, which is Google's chat AI, Bard for our script. Secondly, we will use Leonardo AI for generating graphics and then animate those graphics in Runway ML, and then for editing and voiceover we will use CapCut. CapCut added new voiceover characters which are very realistic and completely free to use. You can use 11 labs if you want to. So let's start with script writing. For that we will use Bard. I will just type generate me imaginative Disney short story in 1 paragraph. It will start spitting out the story. Just read the story. And if you don't like it, simply regenerate until you are satisfied with a good story. Our next step is to generate a list of prompts for images. For this, just write again, provide me 9 to 10 prompts for the story. For generating images in Leonardo AI, and it will provide you with all the prompts. No, you need to rush to Leonardo AI for images. Just go to AI image generation and then copy the first prompt from Bard and paste in Leonardo AI, then select AI model. For Disney type images, 3D animation style will be perfect. And select number of images between 2 to 4 and select 9:16, then click on generate and wait for a few seconds. Then if you like any image, click on the image and click on upscale and then just download it. And do the same steps with all the remaining prompts. Okay, so now we also downloaded all the images that we need, so now's the time to animate them. For this we are gonna use a free tool, Runway ML. Simply go to Runway ML and then click on image to video. And then click on the upload button and upload first image, and always set the speed between 3 to 4 and then click on generate button and wait for a few seconds. And finally our image is animated. Click on the video and download the video. And then do same with all images, okay? Well, now open CapCut and click on the text, drag and drop the default text on the timeline and go back to Bard and copy few lines of your script. And then paste in the text box, go to text to speech and select any voiceover character you like and then click on read. Now go at the end of the voiceover and again go to text and drag and drop text again. And go back to Bard and select 3 to 4 more lines of your script and again paste them in the text box and do the same process until complete voiceover is ready, and then adjust voiceover in sequence and remove all the empty spaces in the voiceover because we want fast-paced voice to hook our audience. Remove all the empty spaces from the complete voiceover, and once done then click on import. And import all the video clips that we generated from Runway ML. Now place all the clips on the timeline and adjust them in sequence by listening to the voiceover and see which clip fits where. Once all the clips have been arranged, go to the first clip and click on it and then go to adjustments and mess with brightness, contrast, highlights, shadows, sharpness to increase the quality of your clip. It will make your video to look more clearer. And then do the same process with all the clips one by one. Once done, then again click on the first clip and then go to animations, then go to combo and select some good animations. Try different animations that best suit your clip and again do the same with all of the clips. So no, we will do something crazy and we'll make our video to look more like 2K. For this, go to filters and search for clear and click on this filter with name clear 2. Drag and drop it on the timeline and drag it on full timeline. Here, see the difference in the video quality with and without this filter. It's pretty massive, right? So know what do we need? Yes, caption. Go to text and click on auto captions, then click on the templates and choose any caption template that you like and change color of your captions if you want to. And then the most important, channel branding. For this, go back to text and drag and drop default text. Type in your channel name. For example, I will type Disney Stories and then place it on the corner of the screen and scroll down and keep opacity between 60 to 70. And no, finally go to effects and choose effects as per your clip. Like in this clip there seems to be storm and lightning in the back. For this I will choose lightning effect. This once and drag and drop it on the clip. You can mess with the effects settings if you want to, and then you can find many different effects here and use them according to your clips. And finally our video is ready. Let's see it then.
In a world where laughter paints the sky with candy-colored clouds, lived Pip. Pip longed to join the majestic thunder clouds, roaring their stories across the land. But Pip's showers were mere giggles, and his thunder a chorus of tinkling bells. One day, a grumpy storm cloud threatened to drown the land. Pip tickled the storm with his gentle drizzle, sprouting laughter flowers everywhere. The storm tickled pink, sputtered, and giggled, morphing into a rainbow shower that painted the land in joyous hues. Pip Finally accept it. Learn that even the smallest giggle can hold the mightiest magic.
It was damn awesome, right? Let's talk about the 3 ways through which you can earn. First ways is once you complete 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views, you can apply for monetization and you can earn through YouTube Partner Program. Secondly, you can earn through affiliate marketing with different tools like 11 Labs and many more. And lastly, you can earn through paid promotions and collaborations. There are many other ways to earn, but the most simple ones are these. Just save this video. In case you forget any step, you can come back and watch that part. See you soon. Bye.